Hey guys, you might have been frustrated while creating notification system for your applications again and again. Today I'm going to introduce you with Novu, the open source notification infrastructure for developers. You can use Novu in your daily projects for managing notifications without setting it up by yourself. Novu provides a big documentation on how you can use Novu with your project. Novu is a free platform. You can log on to novu.co and press Get Started button, register your new account, and start working with Novu. Once you have registered with Novu, you will be redirected to Novu dashboard. First of all, you need to click Brand. Here you will set up your brand settings. Go to the Layout tab. Novu provides you a default layout for your email templates, but you can add your own layouts so that you can send emails with a better view. Once edit the email layouts, we will go to the notifications and create a new notification template. Now I will go to the workflow editor, drag and drop the email block here. We need to click the email block, edit the template. I will put the sender name and the subject. Now I will add the message. Once that done, I will go to the preview, and that's how our email is going to look like. Now this is the default layout provided by Novu, as we didn't edit our own layout. Now I will create the notification template. Once the template has been created, Novu will provide us a template code. This code is for the Node.js, but I'm going to use Deno instead. I will just copy the code, press got it. Now I will go to my VS Code and create a Deno workspace. Once a workspace has been initialized, I will create a new file, node.js. I will paste my code here. Now, because I'm using Deno, I need to replace this import and add a prefix. Now the repository has been resolved. I will replace this text with my API key. I will go to the settings and copy my API key, paste it here. This is our trigger ID provided by Novu when we created the notification template. In the second argument, we need to provide some more information, like who is the receiver of this trigger. We can provide a subscriber ID or the email of the receiver. For now, we will just remove the email. We need to put the receiver ID here. We will be able to get the subscriber ID from Novu dashboard. You will need to save subscribers once you are working with a full project. The subscribers will be saved on your Novu dashboard. You can use your application's username as the subscriber ID later once you are working with a project. For now, I will just go to the Novu dashboard and copy a default subscriber ID, which is my own subscriber ID, and put it here. I will go to the subscribers, copy that subscriber ID, put it here, and I will log out the results. Now we will execute this code to see what happens. Okay, so the code has been successfully executed. Now let's check the inbox to see if we have received the email. As you can see, I have successfully received the email. Now I want to go back to the Novu dashboard and let me show you something. If I open my notification tab here, you can see my notifications are empty. Now I will go to the notifications, and here I want to edit this notification template. Go to the workflow editor. Once the email has been successfully delivered, we want to let the user know that they have received the email by triggering an in-app notification. Let's drag and drop this in-app notification after the email block. Now I will click email block and enable this switch. This switch will stop the workflow if there was an issue delivering the email. We don't want to send a notification to the user if the email was not delivered successfully. Now we will click in-app block and edit the template. We will put a message here. Now I will go to the preview. That's how our notification is going to look like. You can even add some action buttons for this, but for now I'll just leave it. I will press update. I will go back. I will go to my inbox and I will delete this email. Now I will go back to my VS Code. Now I will execute this code again. Let's go back to our email inbox and we can see we have received the email. I will go back to my Novu dashboard and I have a notification also. If I open this, I have received the in-app notification. This notification tab is a standalone component that is provided by Novu. You can read the Novu documentation and see how you can use this component with your favorite UI framework. As you can see, guys, I was able to send an email and a notification by using just 12 lines of code. And that's how easy to use Novu. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so that you don't miss new tutorials from us. Thank you very much. Have a good day.